when God puts you somewhere. Stay there until He tells you to move. Pagpabilin diha hangtod siya magsugod nimo sa pagbalhin. Daghang Christians maghimo sa ilang mga desisyon nga gibase sa mga pagbati imbis sa paggiya sa Ginoo. Many Christians make their decisions based on feelings rather than the leading of God. Many Christians make their decisions based on opportunities rather than Bible-based principles. Are you listening? Daghang Christian maghimo sa ilang mga decision gibase sa ilang mga oportunidad dili sa mga principle nga nagkitudlo sa pulong sa Dios. Daghang mga Christian maghimo sa ilang mga decision gibase sa ilang financial na situation imbis sa kapabuton sa Dios sa ilang kinabuhi. But here's our problem. We get impatient with the place God has put us right now. God puts us where He wants us. And sometimes where God wants us isn't comfortable. Are you listening? Usang dape nga ituyo sa Diyos para sa atong kinabuhi dili comfortably karon. Remember, because God's trying to smooth me. Nagsulay siya magpahami sa akong batasan. Nagsulay siya magpaandam nako. Sometimes the place God puts us dili comfortably, and we get impatient to get out of that and move somewhere else. Kasi na mga situation, mga problema sa atong situation, there's things we don't like. But you listen to me. If you want to avoid the heartache of bad decisions, stay where God puts you until He tells you to move. Stay where God puts you until He moves you. I'm saying don't move jobs, don't change jobs until you know it's God's will. Don't start a relationship until you are sure it's God's will. Don't move to a new house until you're sure it's God's will. Don't make a big purchase, a motorcycle or a car or a new house until you know it's God's will for your life. You make sure you know it's God's will before you make a big decision. I'm saying today, God is the one who puts you where you are. Stay there until He tells you to move. Ang Diyos ang nagbutang nimo diha sa imong dapit, ipagpabiling diha hangtod siya magsugod nimo nga magbalhin. Pero Pastor Mike, dili ko comfortably sa akong situation karon. Stay there until God tells you to move. Pero Pastor Mike, nakoy oportunidad na magkuha mas dakong sweldo. You stay where God puts you until He tells you to move. There is no money. Walay kwarta na makapali sa kalipay o kalinaw nga magikan sa pagkinabuhi diha sa kabubuton sa Dios. Aga, Pastor Mike, nagdasud ko karon. You listen to me. Kung mobalhin ka sa laing situation, maglasud ka diha pod. Stay where God puts you. Ipagpabilin diha sa dapit nga ang Dios nagbutang kanimo. Here's what I'm trying to say. Wait on the Lord. Be of good courage, and He shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. Don't get impatient.